Suman Gurwant are being highly appreciated. Satyam College has many MOUs with different colleges, schools, and NGOs, wellness centers like Creative Thinker, Galgotia University, Saksham Bharati, Raghav Global School, Heartfulness for faculty exchange and student exchange program. Students whosoever tried for CTET and UPTET exams, they have cleared the exams. Alumni are quite able to join government jobs like Kendriya Vidyalaya, etc., and higher education in foreign universities. So many prouds with us. This year of pandemic, we are able to accomplish the task of teaching and learning with my devoted team of faculty members. From the dais, I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the SCE faculty members for doing their work with full dedication so to achieve the goal of producing best teachers. Thank you very much all the team members. Various prestigious schools such as Naruvard School, Uttam School, Sapphire International, Arva Chain, Raghav Global School, Spam Scottish School, and so many. And most of the students are being placed and others are trying. Due to pandemic situation, some of the students were not able to go through, but I believe that nothing will stop them. I would like to place on record the hard work put in by my staff, both teaching and non-teaching, in making the institute a premier institute. A special thanks to all of them. With all this, I stop my report and give my heartfelt wishes to all my degree holders of the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Madam, the office bearers of Satyam Group of Institutions, Chairperson Madam, Secretary Sir, Principal Satyam College of Education, Head of Department SCE and SFI, Dean and Program Head SJMC, teaching and non-teaching staff members of Satyam Group of Institutions, parents, custodians, and all the graduating students of batch 2020. I, on behalf of Satyam Fashion Institute, extend a warm reception to all of you. Satyam Fashion Institute was set up in the year 2007 as one of the premier design institutes in India, providing UGC-approved courses in affiliation with SNDT Women's University. The institute is offering undergraduate program, which is Bachelor of Design in Specializations Fashion Design, Textile Design, Fashion Communication, and Lifestyle Accessories. Bachelor of Arts in Mass Media, a 3-year program. And Postgraduate Diploma in Fashion Design, a 2-year program. The vision of Satyam Fashion Institute is to impart holistic education, enabling its students to succeed in choosing and achieving their career goals. Year 2020, the unforgettable one, which enforced the worldwide lockdown due to the pandemic COVID-19, had a profound impact in every sector all across the world. The world is still fighting back to be in shape and survive this pandemic. But looking towards the positive side, this year has also worked as a catalyst for the Institute to grow on digital platforms which have never been leveraged before. This was truly an year of transformation for all of us. We take pride in sharing that the Institute has received its quality accreditation from National Assessment and Accreditation Council in the year 2017. As quality enhancement initiatives, as a Swayam NPTEL local chapter, becoming institutional member of DELNET, Developing Libraries Network, MSME, and Confederation of Indian Industries. Signing MOU with Heartfulness Education Trust for thoughtful development of the students. Receiving ISSN number for our research journal Design Quest. and developing green policies for the entire campus. Since its inception, the institute is working towards training skilled and competent professionals for the design industry. We hold strong industry network comprising of renowned design houses, retail brands, academia, and manufacturing units in and around Delhi NCR. We have close relationships with Ministry of Textiles, DC Handlooms, Export Promotion Counseling and Textile Association India for conducting industrial training for the students. The industry interface progresses in the form of graduation projects, design collections, on-site projects, and internships. With an interdisciplinary approach in teaching, our faculty members come from different specializations, showing a rich experience in terms of academics and industry. The college has been presenting a good academic record over the past years. We are implementing the examination system as directed by our affiliating university proactively. Now to brief about the batch of 2020. There were 97 students in undergraduate and postgraduate program collectively. And out of these, over 60% students achieved distinction, securing first position in B Design Lifestyle Accessories during the 70th annual convocation of SNDT Women's University. The event was held on 17th February 2021 in Mumbai. Also, I am delighted to share that Ms. Poonam Negi from B Design Fashion Design and Ms. Palak Bhava from B Design Textile Design are among the top 5 students of Bachelor of Design program at the university level. Both the students are also the toppers of their respective programs at college level. Ms. Manisha Goyal has been the topper of postgraduate diploma in fashion design at college level. All the students of batch 2020 presented their graduation collections during the annual graduation show Triptych, which was held on 8th March 2020 in the college premises. Our students have also showed tremendous participation in extracurricular activities and inter-college competitions during their journey with SFI. To share a few of the achievements, Ms. Harshita Narula from B Design Lifestyle Accessories received the prestigious scholarship from Textile Association in the year 2019. Ms. Pragati Dhami of B Design Fashion Design won the title of Miss Punctual and Miss Vivacious 2018 and first runner-up for the title Mr. and Miss North India 2018. Our students, Ms. Asmita, Ms. Shubhangi Sharma, and Ms. Astha Rathi of B Design Fashion Design won the first prize in fashion show competition in Christ College in the year 2019. Ms. Vanshita Mittal, B Design Fashion Design, won the first prize in Triveni Design Competition, which was a national level competition in the year 2018. Ms. Anjali Srivastav, B Design Textile Design, won the first prize in Green Weave Design Competition in Green Fashion India Conference, which was held in Kala Academy, Goa. Ms. Mahima Malik, B Design Textile Design, secured third position in the poster presentation competition during the Textile Summit held in the year 2018. Our students have also participated in Miss India Khadi competition by Khadi India and won the Best Khadi Concept of the Year 2018. The students have also showed their innovative collections based on bioplastics at Somaya Vidya Vihar during the Biomakers Mela in the year 2019. Our students have also presented their technical research papers during various conferences like Joint Technological Conference organized by NITRA, and International Conference on Sustainability organized by IICD Jaipur in the year 2019. Students from different departments secured both first and second position in Footwear Design and Development Institute, Noida, for a sustainable design competition with a cash prize in the year 2019. We feel deeply privileged to share these marvelous achievements by our students and aim to set highest academic standards. And while celebrating the incredible success of our students today, I wish to convey to all the graduating students that there are far, far better things ahead than any you leave behind. Your life is your story, and the adventure ahead of you is to write this story with your own purpose and potential. With this, I present all the students of class 2020 for their graduation ceremony. Thank you.
Already said, she is the principal of PVDT College of Education for Women, Mumbai, and currently chairing the position of registrar in additional charge at SNDT Women's University. Dr. Kute has presented her research papers in more than 80 national and international conferences and seminars. She has continuously been appointed as a resource person, keynote speaker, guide, and mentor at different prestigious platforms of our country. Ma'am is the proud co-author of 6 books and several of our country. And she has received several prestigious awards for her contribution to the fraternity. We welcome you, ma'am.
Namaskar. The Honorable Chairperson of Satyam Group of Institution, Noida, Ms. Sneha Singh Ma'am, the Secretary of this prestigious Satyam Group of Institution, the Principal of Fashion Institute, Dr. Vandana Jaglan, all my colleagues who are helping, cooperating to enlighten these both institutions, the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, all parents, the teaching and non-teaching staff of the Satyam Group of Institutions, Noida, and all beloved students. I'm really overwhelmed that I'm invited as a chief guest for this graduation ceremony of Satyam Group of Institutions to the students who have successfully completed their degrees in graduation and post-graduation in the year 2020. So I very previously, when both the principals and read all the details about the successful candidates, I feel that something is going very excellently out of states of SNDT Women's University. And on behalf of SNDT Women's University, I would like to congratulate to the secretary, to the chairperson, to the principal, and all their teams that they are working in a very good manner. They are following the right track. As in the introduction, already Ujjwal and Anshul have presented that what is about SNDT Women's University. Friends, I would like to, generally for the parents, I would like to say that this is first Indian Women's University which was established in 1916. Almost we have completed 105 years. So this is very traditional and having rich heritage to this first Indian Women's University, which was renamed in 1937 as the donor from Thakursi family have donated some funds, and the area where the head office has been situated now at Churchgate campus at Mumbai, and that was renamed as Srimati Nathibai Damodar Thakursi. still the Thakursi family is helping us to, it was contributing financially also and academically also, because that has rich heritage to that family. So we should be proud of that. In Ferguson College was a professor, and he visited in 1913 at Japan, when Japan had first women's university established in 1913. So at that time, in pre-independent era, he visited to Japan and thought about Indian women, that why in India there should not be a women's university where especially women can be given education and freely they can, means their potentials can be given the exposure. And first 5 students were enrolled in 1916. From each and every Indian person, he collected only 1 rupee. And from that collection, he established our university. So it has a rich heritage. We should be